Today we will study human reproduction. So, human sexual reproduction, mostly humans are viviparous, that means they give birth to the young ones. They are unisexual. Each sex has a pair of gonads, reproductive ducts, accessory structures. Sex organs are testes in case of males, ovaries in case of females, and there is gamete formation, and there is a hormones. So during the puberty phase, gametogenesis for these are the different stages in sexual reproduction. First ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ gametogenesis, that is formation of the gametes, sperms and ova. Then insemination, that means transfer of the sperms into the female genital tract of the females. Then there is a fusion of the male and the female gametes leading to the formation of zygote. Male gamete and female gametes, they are haploid. And then there is implantation of the blastocyst, that is formed after the zygote formation and attachment to the uterine wall of the uterus. Then the next stage is gestation, that is the embryonic development from time of fertilization to birth, that is mostly 280 days. Then there is the delivery of the child, that is known as parturition. Now this is the male reproductive system. So we will study the male reproductive system. It is located in the pelvic region. Male reproductive system includes a pair of testes, accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia. Then this is the male reproductive system. There is a pair of testes in the scrotum. Covering of the testes, that will be the scrotum. Accessory ducts, that are reed testes, vasa differentia, epididymis, vas deferens. Then the external genitalia, that will be the penis. So first of all, we will discuss the testes. They are the male gonads, and sperms are formed in it, and mostly hormones are formed in it, that is the testosterone hormone. It is oval in shape, 4 to 5 centimeters. Width is 2 to 3 centimeters. It is situated in the abdominal cavity, and it is covered by a pouch that is known as scrotum. The temperature of the scrotum is kept low as compared to the normal temperature of the body. So it is 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature. Why? Because the sperms, they are able to mature at that temperature, and the process will be known as spermatogenesis. Testis is covered by a dense capsule, that is tunica albuginea, inside as the septa. So in each testis there are about compartments or lobes in it, that are known as compartments. Each lobe has these seminiferous tubules, 1 or 3 seminiferous tubules. So if we draw the diagram of the testes, it will be like this. This will be the lobes, and in it there will be seminiferous tubules. So there are many lobes inside the testis, and this will be the covering of the testis. If we take the section of the seminiferous tubules, there are cells known as spermatogonia. It will undergo meiotic division to form the sperms. There are Sertoli cells, nurse cells ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ, ਇਹ supporting cells ਹੈ. Means they provide nutrition to the germ cells of the development. ਜਦੋਂ sperms ਦੀ development ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ Sertoli cells ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ nutrition ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੈ. ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸੈਮਨੀਫੈਰਸ ਟਿਬਿਊਲਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਇੰਟਰਸਟੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਸੈਲਸ ਹੈ, and they contain small blood vessels, interstitial cells ਹੈ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਸੈਲਸ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਦਿਸ ਆ ਟਿਬਿਊਲਸ ਕੋਲ ਇੰਟਰਸਪੇਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਸਪੇਸਿਸ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਲੱਡ ਵੈਸਲਸ ਐਂਡ ਇੰਟਰਸਟੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਸੈਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਲਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਸੈਲਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਕ੍ਰੀਟ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਮੇਲ ਸੈਕਸ ਹਾਰਮੋਨ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਐਂਡਰੋਜਨ ਜਾਂ ਮੋਸਟ ਕਾਮਨ ਇਜ਼ ਟੈਸਟੋਸਟੀਰੋਨ। ਸੋ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਹੈ ਅਸੈਸਰੀ ਡਕਟਸ। ਸੋ ਸੈਮਨੀਫੇਰਸ ਟਿਬਿਊਲਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵਾਸਾ ਇਫਰੈਂਸ਼ੀਆ ਥਰੂ ਰੀਟ ਟੈਸਟਿਸ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਦਾ ਰੀਟ ਟੈਸਟਿਸ, ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਵਾਸਾ ਇਫਰੈਂਸ਼ੀਆ ਬਣੇਗਾ। ਇਫਰੈਂਸ਼ੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿਲ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਟੂ ਫਾਰਮ ਦਾ ਐਪੀਡੀਡਾਈਮਸ, then epididymis ਤੋਂ connection ਹੋਏਗੀ that will be the vasa difference. Vasa difference receives duct seminal vesicle, ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੈਮੀਨਲ ਵੈਸੀਕਲ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਕਿ these store and transport sperms from the testis to the urethra. urinary bladder ਵੀ open ਕਰੇਗਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ through the urinary bladder will also open in this duct. ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੈ external genitalia of the male that is the penis. So male ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ erectile tissues ਹੈ which facilitates insemination. Glans penis ਨਾਲ distal part is covered. Front portion ਹੈ foreskin. So ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ accessory glands ਦੇਖੀਏ, ਇੱਕ seminal vesicle, ਇੱਕ prostate, there Cooper's glands ਹੈ, seminal plasma ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ fluid ਹੈ। These accessory glands rich in fructose, calcium, certain enzymes helps in lubrication.